Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking, what do you need to focus on to come into alignment with what you are manifesting at the moment? And the 10 of Pentacles came through. This is all about focusing on the good life, the amazing things that you have already manifested, and how that chest is full of all these amazing manifestations. And so the more you focus on that and give thanks for what you've already manifested, the faster you will attract what you are wanting to manifest into your life, right? So, whatever it is that you're wanting to manifest, how will it benefit your life? Let me know in the comments. Whatever you're manifesting, how will it bring more, abundance to your life? How will it benefit? What will be good about your life if you have the thing that you are wanting to manifest? Alrighty, so let me know in the comments. And make sure you like it so I know that you like it. I can bring you more. Subscribe and hit the bell notification. Make sure you hit that bell if you want to be notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I'll catch